Hey folks, experts, and those diving into the content creation scene. In this episode, I stumbled upon a goldmine of neural networks that often go unnoticed, not just powering the success of my channel, but also serving as a secret weapon for content creators worldwide. As your guide in this digital realm, I'm excited to spill the beans today. We're immersing ourselves in the world of rare and downright amazing neural networks. I was blown away when I got to know them. These are revolutionary game changers that can effortlessly help you boost your earnings, breathe creative life into your niches and channels, and exhale the tension from your chest. Ready to ride the neural wave with me? Let's explore these often overlooked digital gems and take your content creation to new heights. And as a bonus, let's dive into the top picks of channels, niches, and results from other content creators through a deep dive into Social Blade analytics. Let's go. Floatbot, a SaaS-based voice artificial intelligence platform, empowers you to effortlessly design and deploy voice and chatbots driven by artificial intelligence, all without the need for coding. This innovative platform provides a seamless and user-friendly experience, enabling you to harness the power of AI to enhance your interactions with customers. Whether you're aiming to streamline customer support, automate tasks, or engage users in dynamic conversations, Floatbot makes the process accessible and efficient. Elevate your business capabilities by integrating the latest in AI technology and watch as your customer interactions reach new levels of efficiency and satisfaction. Max Journey is a generator that allows you to instantly create a variety of works of art. Thanks to the intuitive interface, users can easily create any kind of artwork from abstract art to surreal landscapes. Perceive Insight is a revolutionary comprehensive SaaS offering that helps you build a better business through deep understanding and the ability to act at minimal cost. For marketers, this is a tool that allows you to create a disproportionately large return due to the ability to configure real-time actions. That can be PN scenes, emails based on various user actions. For example, if a marketing team wants to send a WhatsApp notification to a group of users who have dropped out of the trash, they just need to configure this in the tool and it will do the rest in real time. There are no intermediate steps related to importing data into another tool, etc. And all this will happen. Reminder, friends, each of the neural networks presented earlier can be your assistant in creating unique content. And now let's move on to the regular segment. How much do top channels earn? You will see these incredible figures. Don't be afraid. It's reality. Remember that you can earn like this too if you really try and learn how to do everything sincerely. Also, you can peek into a money-making niche for yourself. Watch until the end not to miss what could be your golden vein. Ready? Let's go. Incredible, right? I'm giving you a front row seat to witness this phenomenal success story. If a neural network had a blog, its first post would probably be about the struggle of being artificial intelligence in a world of emotions. Folks, pay attention. I'm showing you everything, and what you see before your eyes is extraordinary. I attempted to create the perfect money-making video but my neural network suggested making as of videos with the sound of virtual cash transactions. Sounds like a hit. Yeah, I'm seriously impressed by the magnitude of your success. I tried teaching my neural network to make money on YouTube, but it keeps suggesting cat video compilations. Apparently it knows where the real cash is. If a neural network created commercials, every aid it'd start with, wait, I'm still processing data. Impressive. Your success is truly well-deserved. If a neural network filmed a talk show, every episode would start with the question, what is laughter? And why don't I understand it? Incredible numbers, you've cracked the code to success. If a neural network filmed a vlog, it would probably be titled Life in 1,010,101. Folks, take a look for yourselves. These numbers are nothing short of phenomenal. Evolve and make the world around you better. Friends, your journey to a better life begins with your decisions. Ask yourself, what is my heart seeking? Find your passion, create your niche. Remember, every small act of kindness contributes to overall harmony. Subscribing to the channel is a step towards positive changes. Like, and comment your contribution to this positivity. And if you prefer not to comment, share why. And don't miss these 2 interesting videos. Until next time.